All right, everyone. So here we're gonna be talking today about the cleaning products, of the after cleaning products for your coffee tumblers that you engrave in your laser machine, and the products that people normally use. The LA Awesome. Everybody swears by it. Everybody talks about this, and nowadays we're starting to hear about the Dawn Platinum Power Wash. I'm always been using this one and do a little bit of the elbow grease with the Mr. Clean sponge. We will test this today. If you want to see more content like this, please follow, subscribe to the channel. And for now, let's get into that comparison and see which one is best. Hello everyone, this is Mauricio here at Tico Laser Creations, and today I wanted to make a quick video talking about the best way of cleaning your laser engraved tumblers. So I got a large order, probably about 40 tumblers that I need to do, so I have a ton of them that I've been doing this in order for a little league, the local little league. And one of the things that always comes out is, like, well, you do the engraving and then there's some cleaning up to do. And here we can see this one. When you do the engraving and your settings are really good, there's not much to clean. Even though at that point, it's always good to do some cleaning. Like this one, we can see it. It's kind of hazy. All of them came out like that. My settings are actually really, really good for what they are, and the cleaning is minimal. But normally, what people ask you to do is, or many people talk about is, use LA Awesome, and after that, come out with one of those Mr. Clean little sponges to clean up, and it works really well. But the other day I saw somebody talking about using the this other product. It's just a dish spray, and it's called Dawn Ultra Platinum Power Wash. So today I wanted to do a comparison between the two of them and figure out which one works best. So all these guys are the same in terms of they need to be cleaned up a little. So I'm gonna be using the LA Awesome and the first one. Just gonna spray it there and then put it there, let it for a second or two, and then come back and clean. And we can see it. It's actually very good. That's why people like it. And if we're gonna with the sponge and clean up a little bit. But if we can see, let me see if I can. There you go. Maybe I'm trying to focus a little bit. There's still a little bit kind of a haze in there. That's the part that you will clean up with the Mr. Clean sponge. This one is more like a foam. Same thing, we're gonna let it rest for a second or two, and then we're just gonna clean up. Then, look at this. Well, I know what I'm gonna be using from now on. This is pretty incredible. The main thing is, I'm going to try to focus in here and get closer. There's no glaze. There's nothing else to clean, so I wouldn't even need more of to clean up with my sponge there. The main thing is, for me, I'll be comfortable giving this to my customer like this. without having to go through the extra cleaning that I will have to do with this one over here. So if you ask me, I have a new product to be using from now on. It's actually pretty good. I'm liking it. This is going to save me some time, you know. And I said I have an order of basically 40 cups that I'm working on right now, and this is great. I'm glad. I'm glad we did this comparison because definitely it's a difference. I know what I'm gonna be using from now on. I wasn't expecting that, to be really honest. Well, good. I hope that helps other people out there when they have to do their after cleaning for their coffee tumblers. They engrave in the laser machines. And don't forget to subscribe. Love to do some more content like this. Just get some more people there. Give me some love. And until next time.